Hi, I'm Will, and welcome to my small apartment kitchen. The cost of living is up, and I'm selling out and cooking for you. So stay tuned as we make some kangaroo burgers.
Like, Coles, what's the deal with these burger buns? They're so small. What are you doing? Here we have all our ingredients, and we're just about ready to get them into the kitchen and prepare the burgers. Well, there we have it. All my ingredients are out on display now. So I guess we'll start with the tomato and give it a little chop, and then cook up a burger and put it all together. Should be simple. Probably gonna get destroyed by the internet here, but I'm bad at chopping tomatoes, so like, good luck me.
That's not a bad cut. Two will do. I'm only making one burger. Alright, there we go. I cut the tomato. Done. Alright, I guess we'll just get some of this butter lettuce and give it a pluck and wash some of it off. I think that's enough for one burger. What do you think? Give it a little rinse. I like to give it a little squeeze. I don't know if I'm supposed to do that, but I give it a little squeeze. And then I dry it with a paper towel, so it's nice and I don't like it moist. Alright, there we go. We'll just put that with our tomato. There we go. So I'm preheating the pan now. I'll give it a little spray with some oil, and then we'll put the burgers on. Actually, but first, maybe I'll toast up a bun first. Here, there we go. Look at those buns. All right, we're gonna go toast these first and get them ready for the burger when they're ready. The buns are toasted. We're gonna let them toast for about a minute and see how they go. So our buns are nice and toasted, and we'll just put them off to the side now. So I just opened these up, and you can totally smell the way gamier smell of kangaroo. That's what kangaroo meat looks like, by the way, when it's up close. We're gonna be cooking these for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side until it's fully cooked. All right, here we go. We're gonna get a burger and pop it on. And we'll do this to about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, as per the instructions. Alright, we're gonna get in for the flip. We're gonna add our cheese. Press. Here we go. And we'll add our cheese. And let that cook for the next 4 minutes. Alright, this looks pretty done. So what we're going to do now is we're going to transfer the burger onto the bun. And there we have it. Now we're going to go dress it up. Okay, time to dress up our burger. I'm going to start with a little bit of tomato and a little bit of mustard. Oop, that was way too much. Oh God. Alright. That wasn't very good. Alright, well, it's pretty warm. Alright, there we go, that's better. Alright. Okay, cool. Alright, I didn't really like that pour. We'll have to deal with that. So, next, I'm going to do some pickles. So I got these pickles right here. And yeah, we'll just put 3 on. Alright, so we got the pickles, and we're just going to go 1, 2, 3. That'll do. Hopefully they all stay. Oh, that guy wants to slide away. Alright. Let me just put on our tomato and our lettuce and our bun, and we give it a good squash. And there we have it, our burger. And there we have it, a homemade kangaroo burger. I'm not sure it's my best burger I've made, but it looks pretty good. So let's chow down. Okay, now I actually get to eat what I made, because normally when I cook, I don't have a tripod in the way, and I don't have to do multiple takes to enjoy my food. But now I get to enjoy it and talk to you, dear viewer. Okay, let's dig in. So, kangaroo. Ooh, it's a bit drippy. Kangaroo. Why eat kangaroo? Kangaroo is, it's leaner than beef, and frankly, it's better for you than beef. And in Australia, it can be quite cheap. So I'm going to go in and take a bite. That's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. That's a good burger. So yeah, it's a bit weird eating your country's mascot. It'd be kind of like eating the bald eagle, you know? But kangaroo meat is just dang tasty. I've made steaks. I've made sausages. It's really good. What do you think? Are you grossed out? Like, how could you eat a kangaroo? They're so cute. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get a napkin. But yeah, this is a simple burger, not too fancy. If you haven't kangaroo, you're missing out. It's good stuff. So what is even my YouTube channel, right? I got like 6,000 subscribers. I don't know why. I get like 50 a month. I don't know why. I don't upload anything. Not very often. But yeah, here I am eating a burger for the internet. Cooking a burger for the internet. I don't know. But if you're watching and you're still here, thank you. And I hope you subscribe. Because, you know, this is my plan B. In case things go wrong in my life, I need all of your lovely attention. Because, well, frankly, times are tough. Was there something differently you would have done when you made this burger? Would you have added something else, removed something? Let me know. Alright, that's it. It's gone. That was delicious. I wish you could have tried it. So if you like this, leave a comment, subscribe, do whatever you gotta do. And I've been Will. I'll see you in the next one. Whatever content that might be.